Good morning everyone. How are you all? I am your art and craft teacher. Today's activity is, now open your drawing book. Variety pasting this activity, but today I will leave this activity because I don't have some material for this. Next day I will teach you this activity. Now today activity is mosaic octopus. For this you will need white ivory sheet, this one, scissor, nail polish, 2-3 colors, water, tray, stapler, black and white craft paper and glue stick. Okay. See, this one is white ivory sheet, scissor, 2-3 colors of nail polish, water and tray, stapler and black craft paper, and one more thing, Fevicol. Now everyone pause the video and go get ready with your things. Now see, they have some instruction. First take a tray and fill it with water. See, this one. Now second, add a few drops of nail polish to it. You will see the nail polish spread into different design on the water. See. See, I am adding few drops of nail polish. I will take next other color. Now see, they have third instruction. Place a white ivory sheet flatly on the water for 5 seconds and remove it. See, this one white ivory sheet. You will put like this for 5 seconds. See, your ivory sheet is colored. Now please leave for dry for few seconds. Now see, fourth instruction, the design will stick to the ivory sheet and look like a mosaic. See, leave it to dry. See, fifth instruction is cut the face and 8 tentacles out of the mosaic sheet and staple them together. See, there are 8 tentacles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now take your pencil and see, I will draw the face of octopus. Now I will cut the face of octopus. See. See, your octopus face is ready. Now I will cut 6 tentacles. Again I will draw tentacles, see, like this. Now see, your octopus face and tentacle is ready. Now sixth instruction, finally cut the eyes and mouth out of black and white craft paper. See. it's a mouth of octopus and two small eyes. We'll cut like this, two small circles. Then again you will cut two small circles for their eyes. After that, I will staple them together. See, first you will take like this. Now see, they have 7 instructions. Paste them on the face. First, we will apply Fevicol of mouth of octopus, see, and paste them like this, and also apply Fevicol of eyes. Now I am pasting white ivory sheet. See, your mosaic octopus is ready. Do it same everyone and keep it safe with you. Thank you.